Hey guys, here's an Amana Essential unit. This thing is really nice. This is at someone I'm helping clear up their house. This is a 1970s Amana Essential unit. Here's the top of it. It's a 4-blade fan in there. I don't know what compressor it is. It's probably a Copeland, possibly, or a Bristol. Actually, maybe a Tecumseh. Yeah, maybe a Tecumseh. Well, I'm going to try to film a startup of it and we'll be back. Here it is running. Going out hot. Thing's running already. So we're gonna let this thing run for a little bit and we'll be back. Getting cold. Getting ice cold. Alright guys, it's been running for a little bit. I'm getting hot over here. Hot out here. It's really good. Thing's probably from the 70s or 80s. Thing runs good. Blowing ice cubes. So you guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I think it does have a replacement fan motor. Let me take a look. What does it have? It has a, I don't know what it has. Let me take a closer look back here. It's a Marathon? I'm not sure. Never heard of the brand. It's not a heat pump, right? This thing's a heat pump. I'm gonna flip. Oh yeah, no, this thing's definitely not a heat pump. Straight cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.